Hey, this is Rick Macken. We've been out at the Cattle Call Parade, enjoying all the people that turned out to watch the floats. Looking forward to seeing them at the Cattle Call Rodeo later today or Sunday. We've enjoyed meeting people. We've got our float put together here, had a great time. It was so great getting out and walking the parade route, meeting the people, getting to shake hands with friends, see people I haven't seen in years. I tell you, I appreciate everyone's work that went into getting this put together. The guys that let me use their trailer and tractor, it's been absolutely great. The promotion of the parade was excellent. The people were so receptive. I couldn't believe the response that I got and enjoyed every minute of it. I tell you, being out and walking and talking to people is the best way to make contact with the voters in the Valley. Hope you enjoyed it. Come and check out my Facebook page and we'll see you later.